If Gmail is showing the status_breakpoint error code, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Gmail working again without wasting time. We'll start with the simplest solutions first, then move into the settings that usually cause this issue in Chrome. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's clear your browser data. Sometimes old cookies, broken cache files, or corrupted site data can stop Gmail from loading properly and trigger this error. To do that, open your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Delete Browsing Data. In the time range, select All Time so you fully reset the stored data that may be causing the problem. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected, and also check cached images and the files. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. Give it a moment to finish, then try opening Gmail again. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is update your browser. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems with Gmail, especially if Chrome has a bug or a version conflict. Click the three dots again, then go to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install any available update in the background. If it updates or restarts, let it complete fully. After the browser restarts, refresh Gmail and see if the error is gone. This step is important because many browser errors disappear after a simple update. Now, if Gmail still isn't working, the next fix is disabling extensions. Extensions are one of the most common causes of the status_breakpoint error, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script managers, and other browser add-ons that interfere with Gmail. To test this, type chrome://extensions/ into the address bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of all installed extensions. Turn off every extension for now, then go back and open Gmail again. If Gmail loads normally, that means one of your extensions is the cause. At that point, re-enable your extensions one by one, testing Gmail after each one until you find the conflicting extension. Once you identify it, leave it disabled or remove it completely. If the issue still continues, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration. This is another setting that can sometimes trigger browser rendering problems and break websites like Gmail. To change this, click the three dots in Chrome, then open Settings. Use the search bar and type hardware acceleration. Look for the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. Turn that setting off. After that, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch so the change takes effect. Once Chrome opens again, go back to Gmail and test it one more time. At this point, one of these fixes usually resolves the status_breakpoint error code. The most common solution is clearing browser data or disabling a problematic extension. So if you are following along, those are the two places I'd focus first. If Gmail is now working again, that's great. If not, repeat the extension test carefully because the issue is often tied to just one add-on. If this video helped you fix the Gmail status_breakpoint error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.